Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you an update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now this is the section where by Mesbah Gardens where the two sections of the highway need to join together. Now as you can see, persons are out working today to try to get the alignment of this section lined up. If you look on the right, they have the equipment to build the Jersey barriers to connect both sides of the highway. Now, one of the, well, I shouldn't say an issue, but something of concern to a lot of people was how would these two sections of the highway line up? Well, if you notice, we're going to drive down in a little bit. We're just giving you an aerial view first. They have that on the left in front of the roller. They have removed the fence there, and they are going to be where you see those trees, or it was somebody's property. They are going to be using a section of that for the highway. So where the roller is was actually somebody's property, and they have done this to widen the area so that the highway can line up. Now, straight ahead, you'll see the Jersey barrier all the way at the top where the truck is parked. To the left is the old road where you used to drive, because the section on the right from Mesbah Gardens to Grandspan, a new road was built going through the hills. So that new road needs to connect back to the existing road, which is where we are now. So there you can see it's a bit of a climb to come up to connect back to the new road. I don't know if this was intentional. I don't know if it was an oversight. I don't know if it was a mistake, but a lot of attention is being placed on this section. Now, the persons you saw working at the beginning of the video, they are actually lining up for the Jersey barrier to be put in. They are putting down a white pipe to indicate the path of the Jersey barrier. So hopefully by next week, the Jersey barrier will be put in and we can get a much better idea of what's going on out here. Okay, so what you're looking at now is actually the edge of the highway. Now, originally that Jersey barrier lined up with the one straight across the road. But the highway is not going that way. That is now the right end of the highway, and to the left, this is the area that the highway will go. To the left, not to the right. To the right has not, it's not a part of the highway. To the right of that Jersey barrier. And there you can see they have laid out the cones. They're trying to see, and there you can see, we'll show you now. So this is the highway. There is a Jersey barrier at the bottom. That is a Jersey barrier for the middle of the road. The Jersey barrier on the right is not the part that indicates the two sections of the road. That is the edge. So what you're looking at on the right of the screen there is not the path of the highway. That confused a lot of people, because looking at it like this, it lines up a lot better than how they're doing it now. So I don't know if it's a case where they, you see, when you look at it like this, but then now look on the left of the screen, that is a Jersey barrier for the middle of the road. So between the two Jersey barriers is the right side of the road, which is 2 lanes, and then to the left of the Jersey barrier where the truck is coming up now, that's the other 2 lanes. So this was very confusing. So we're going to drive down now and give you a view from the road. So remember, in this section of the highway, it's 4 lanes, 2 on either side of the Jersey barrier. And I don't know if this was intentional. I don't know if this was always the original path of the road. But for the timing, for them to wait till the last minute, I mean, the road is to open in 2 weeks. This road was to have been finished from April. And for them now in the middle of August to be acquiring the land, I just have a strange feeling something went wrong somewhere. Alright guys, let us know what you think about what's going on out here. The good thing is they are now trying to extend the Jersey barrier to meet, for both ends of the highway to meet. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also let us know what you think about what's going on out here. We will come back over the weekend and do another video to see exactly what progress they have made right here. We're very interested to see how these two sections of the road line up, as I'm sure a lot of viewers are. Alright guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.